Yeah. They told me it was a beat, verbal, verbal over the top. Had a verbal send the bitch with a man up, also with a can up, running sands, out, running the bands out. They said, must mouth, so such a mouth. That's big, big house, one big house. Running man, running track, a big mouth, big house, bitch, big house, big house. Hard call drop, bitch. Stefan Charles Thurmand just did that. Leah said, look at Alena, let's check out my bitch. She just did that. They go hard on the wax that, and cash that, gas that. It don't make me have to cash a check, big flex. Yeah. They're going hard, Debbie Dizzy. Look at Atlanta Dizzy. She has beat you. And yeah, kiss her, just kiss my bitch. Bitch, call y'all, just kiss my bitch. Yeah. Mine, the coach Joe said, yeah. Stuff on Charles said, yeah. Said, yeah. I just said, yeah, bitch. Yeah, they go hard. Do more than your part. They do harder than bitch. They go harder than all your work. They did that. But they run at them and just tell me this. Say, go hard, bitch. I just ate all your chips, a big fish.